This 2023 Coachmen Leprechaun 260QB is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, TV, stove top burner, microwave, skylight, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Coachmen Leprechaun 260QB is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.